Eto naman kapag tinanong ka, how do you see yourself 5 years from now? Or 5 years from now, how do you see yourself? Ganito lang kasimple ang sagot dyan, mga coops. Syempre, sabi ko sa inyo, sa panel interview, hindi hinahanap yung pinakamagaling at pinaka-fluent mag-English. Ang hinahanap yung may sagot na from the heart, with content, at yung with conviction. Ganito ang sagot dyan. How do you see yourself 5 years from now? Ma'am, sir, 5 years from now, I see myself as a skilled and trusted corrections officer. Always reliable in security operations, very supportive of all the reformation programs, and ready to take on with greater responsibility in the Bureau of Corrections as his loyal, responsible, and remarkable corrections officer. Ganyan lang kasimple. Awan ko na lang kung hindi pa ma-impress ang panelist sa'yo. Ako si 124, ang inyong certified kupal. Laging magpapaalala, pag correction officer ka na, wag kang magiging kupal. Gusto mo pa ng maraming sample questions at answers para sa nalalapit nyong panel interview? Mag-comment, i-like at i-repost ang aking mga videos. At syempre, i-follow na rin ako sa aking TikTok, Facebook at sa aking YouTube account. Muli, huwag kang kupal.